What is going on, guys? Rev It Up 7 here, back with another video, and today we're going to be reviewing some Hot Wheels cars we got for Easter.
Yep, we just recorded the beginning of this video, and then my phone crashed after we'd unboxed two of the 4 cars. So we unboxed this Range Rover Velar from the Hot Wheels Turbo Series.
That's a big L right there.
Yeah, my phone crashed mid recording, so I lost the unboxing footage.
It took us back to the home screen.
Yep. God. We got taillight detail. It says Range Rover on the back, Land Rover logo. It says Velar there. There's a lot of detail on this. Even got like brake lights. I think these are 10-spoke wheels. They look very nice on this model. You even got the little trim piece here. The top is actually all plastic. It looks metal from the side, but it's actually, you can see inside the cabin here. Very detailed model. You got grille, headlight, and another logo detail there. Pretty plain base.
Yeah. It's all black. We can actually see inside from the front.
Yeah, it rolls very well. The axles are very stiff, and the car is bouncy because of it.
That looks like something I can see every day.
Yeah, you
all
see
those
these
Land Rovers.
Yeah, there's a lot of Land Rovers where we live.
They're usually white though here. I don't know actually.
You don't really see a lot of black Land Rovers.
Yeah,
People like to get them in white so you can see what kind of car it is.
True.
But I like occasionally seeing models like this from Hot Wheels because they remind me of Matchbox cars only because they're so like just common to see. It's interesting when a company that makes stuff like this is making stuff like that. But next up is this 1964 Chevy Nova. It is part of the art cars. It's got the letter E on top, which I thought was pretty cool for Easter.
Yeah, you can spell something out, so that's what the words are for now.
Yep, you got tie-dye swirl on the side. It's got yellow windows, yellow front wheels, and blue back wheels. They're both 5 spokes. But you don't usually get these cars just because they're so crazy, but this one's pretty cool. I figured it'd be cool with that E for Easter. Next into the stuff that we haven't unboxed yet is this. A 1969 Chevy Chevelle from the Tuned series. The Tuned series are cars that are like cartoonish in proportions, that are all like, they look like a kid drew them, but then they made it into an actual car. I'm going to open this one up so we can get into it more. Boy, that was a perfect opening. Metal base, plastic body. I love metal base plastic body cars because they're a lot more fun to use on the track because the weight is at the bottom instead of the top. Very cool. It's chrome. It's got these stripes on it.
Oh, dang, that's a cool pattern.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that till now. At first I was like, details aren't the best, but now I was like, the moment I look on the top.
Pretty cool. It's got these 5 spokes with orange lines around the rims. And I like the metal exhaust here. That's pretty cool. I don't know why the window's blue, but it's alright. The car's really cool. Look at it shine in the light. I've always liked these tuned cars because I think I said a second ago, they look like a kid drew them and then they made it into an actual car. But rolls once again really well. And it's a pretty sick car. It looks like it was made in like the late 70s. This looks like a car they would have came out with in the 70s.
It looks like a Karkin drag race.
Yeah, it's got the big rear tires on it, much wider than the front. The slicks on it. And then last but not least is Quick Bite. This is their full-size ice cream truck that Hot Wheels does. This is another art car. It has 2 E's on top of it, which is kind of weird. Or 2 A's, however you want to look at it. I think they're E's. It's ice cream graffiti on the side. This is another...
That's something I think is really cool.
Let me just compare the size of the packaging for a second.
Oh my gosh.
There's another metal base plastic body car. Very cool. A lot to talk about here. We got the 3 sunroof openings here. You got these 2 little signs on the side that stick up, an air conditioning vent, the Quick Bite and ice cream graffiti on the side with the Hot Wheels logo dripping paint still. Orange 5 spokes. Metal base. Yeah, you can see inside kinda. You got the driver's seat, the guy giving out the ice cream cones right there, a little ice cream man, and then the refrigerators behind him. And this is a very cool and detailed casting.
Yeah.
You got
honestly, if I see this pass by the neighborhood, I'll immediately see the ice cream on the front.
What do you mean ice cream?
I mean on the side, because usually they have the
graffiti. The graffiti on the side is different because there's an opening for him to have his head peek out here, so it's actually different than on this side. Actually, they both have openings, but it's just different art anyway. That's cool. You don't usually see like asymmetrical graphics on Hot Wheels cars. And you got the 2 windows in the back, and yeah, this car is tall too, but it actually has some weight to it because it's a metal-based car. That is pretty cool. Nice. Well, thank you guys for watching. Once again, happy Easter. If you haven't seen it already, check out our Easter special. And my brother actually has his own channel that he's going to be promoting.
Rev Wix. Just look that up. I'm gonna be posting stories, comedy videos, reviews, sport sports videos and usually some random stuff. Pretty much, I'm trying to mix it up, not just like focus on one thing, because usually I have to buy more stuff, just to make it a lot better. But I like doing random stuff, so that's my thing.
Yeah, we'll leave a link to his channel below. It is the old Wixbricks channel, so if you already subscribed to Wixbricks, you're subscribed to it now. We're doing some rebranding for it, but thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.
Subscribe to Rev Wix. Bye.